Did you know that 20% of the average home's clutter is attributed to kitchen waste, including expired or unused food products, and a significant portion of that comes from improperly opened cans?
And a significant portion of that comes from improperly opened cans, and one that highlights the importance of effective kitchen organization, particularly when it comes to a simple yet often overlooked tool, the can opener.
But before we dive into the world of can openers, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The average American kitchen contains over 300 items, with many of these items being unnecessary or unused.
In fact, a study found that the average household spends around $1,300 per year on food waste alone. This is where the can opener comes in, a simple, yet crucial tool that can help reduce food waste and make cooking easier. But how does it work, and what makes it so essential? A can opener works by using a sharp cutting wheel to pierce the top of the can, creating a hole for the contents to be released. This is a crucial step, as it allows for safe and easy removal of the contents without exposing the consumer to sharp edges or metal shards. But what happens when the can opener fails to perform its task? Imagine you're in the middle of cooking dinner, and the can opener breaks down, leaving you with a can that's impossible to open. This is where the importance of a reliable can opener comes in, one that can withstand the rigors of frequent use and maintain its effectiveness over time. But that's not the strangest part. Many people don't realize that their can opener is actually a breeding ground for bacteria and germs. That's right, the can opener's sharp cutting wheel and surrounding areas can harbor bacteria, which can then spread to other surfaces and even food. It's like having a ticking time bomb in your kitchen, waiting to unleash a culinary disaster. But wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that some can openers can actually be hazardous to your health? That's right, certain types of can openers can emit sharp metal shards or even release toxic fumes when used incorrectly. It's a shocking reality that highlights the importance of choosing the right can opener for your needs. But what does this mean in terms of real-world consequences? For one, it means that you're at risk of food poisoning or other health complications if you're not careful when using your can opener. It also means that you're wasting time and money on food that's gone bad due to improper opening techniques. This is where the can opener's impact comes in, a simple tool that can make a huge difference in your daily life. By choosing the right can opener and using it correctly, you can reduce food waste, save time, and even improve your overall health. So what's the key takeaway from all this? The can opener may seem like a simple tool, but it's actually a critical component of your kitchen arsenal. By choosing the right can opener and using it correctly, you can unlock a world of culinary possibilities and improve your overall cooking experience. And that's not all. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get access to even more incredible stories and tips on kitchen organization and beyond. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of cooking enthusiasts. We can't wait to see what you're cooking up. And if you found this fascinating, be sure to like and comment below with your thoughts on can openers and kitchen organization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories and tips on kitchen organization and beyond.